Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is Caroline. Let's get glam. Starting off with this custom made pixie cut wig that I made. Full video on how I made this wig from start to finish. It's on my channel. Make sure you check it out. It's the video before this one. Starting off with this beautiful wig. This is where I ended the wig. I was installing it in the last video. So let's finish up this install and get to this makeup look. All right, y'all. So before we get into the makeup look, let's just get into a little bit of details on this wig. This is a fully customized lace frontal wig. Now, it is a glueless wig. You can choose to wear it glueless, but I wanted my lace to be fully melted because I am taking pictures with this hair on. So I'm using my even hairspray just to melt the lace. I use my elastic band to tie it down just for a few minutes just to make sure my lace is melted. After waiting a few minutes, I went ahead and took the elastic band off. The lace was melted. I absolutely love how this lace frontal pixie cut wig looks. The curls are popping. The lace is melted, and I really love how it looks. To make sure that the wig fits around my ear tabs, I did have to cut a little bit of the lace and some of the hair off just so that the wig snugs directly around my ear tabs. And this is how it looks after I cut and melted the lace on the side. Alright, so moving on to the makeup, we are starting with the foundation. I'm using NARS Radiant Natural Radiant Foundation. And I usually apply it to my face and then use my makeup foundation brush to blend it all over my face. After foundation, to go in with concealer, I usually go with a little bit of a darker or even skin tone concealer under my eye before I go in with a lighter concealer to brighten up my eyes. And I only use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo concealers. Those are the only concealers I use for myself. I just love the way they blend. They are very hydrating. They are not drying. After blending out my concealer, I set it with the Huda Beauty Banana Bread Easy Bake Setting Powder. Moving on to brows, I am an old school girl. I always use a dark brown pencil that I get from the beauty supply store when it comes to my brows. I don't do anything fancy. I just curve around my natural brows, and then I just go ahead and I use my concealer. I try to use a concealer that is close to my skin tone, and I just go ahead and clean up around my brows. Around my brows. I don't do much when it comes to my brow, and I don't use a whole bunch of different product on my brows. Now we're going to move on to the eyeshadow. Starting off with a brown eyeshadow. Listen, this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Matte Foundation. This is the color 460. It's a beautiful brown shade. When I tell you this is my holy grail for natural glam, soft glam, this foundation powder is perfect for a dark brown or light brown eyeshadow. I absolutely love it. This is a staple in my kit and at home. I use it for eyeshadow. I use it for bronzing. I use it for contouring. This foundation powder, 460, is my girl, okay? So I use her first all over my crease. I blend her in with a blending brush. Then we're going to move on to our next eyeshadow. I'm using this MAC reddish brown eyeshadow. It's old, so the name has erased, but I got it from MAC, and I think it was a blush, like a dark color blush. But I'm not sure because it's been a while. But I'm just using that on top of my lid to give me a base. Then next I'm using a black gel liner, and I'm going to put this all over my lid. This just helps make the color pop and it enhances the color shadow. Once I blend out the gel liner over my eyes, using this Amorus Fancy U palette. I got this from Marshall's, okay, because I was looking for a green eyeshadow. That shimmering green is the highlight of the show, okay? It is so pretty. I was like, wow. And this was perfect because I was looking for a beautiful shimmering green shade to just go right over my gel liner. This just makes the eyeshadow pops. It's beautiful naturally when you look at it, and it's also beautiful and stunning once you take pictures. Once you have a dark base under your eyeshadow, especially when it comes to shimmers, it always looks pretty when people look at it, or it always looks pretty when you take pictures. Now, these lashes are my Holy Grail lashes. I usually get a whole pack, a couple of packs from Amazon. I will try to link it in the description box so you guys can check them out if you want to get these same styles. Once I have my lashes on, like I said earlier, my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation Full 60 powder. She's also my girl when it comes to contouring my skin. She just gave me that bronzy look. I absolutely love this foundation powder, okay? It does wonders for my contour and my eyeshadow. So after contouring, my face looks nice and bronzy. Using the same Pro Filter powder from Fenty Beauty, I apply a little bit under my waterline. Then I went in with the Ingot Gel Eyeliner and apply it to my waterline. After applying my gel liner to my waterline, I went ahead and dust off the extra powder. Then using my powder puff with my MAC Skin Finish mineralizing powder, I went ahead and set my entire face. If you are not doing these steps, you are missing out because this will give you that flawless airbrush look. Once I set my face with my morphine setting spray for lipstick, I just went in with a dark brown lipstick. It's a lipstick I got from my local Rite Aid. It's by Maybelline. It's just a dark brown lipstick, and then I go in with my matte pink shade from Jacqueline Hill, and the color is called Sweetheart. I put that on, and then I just make sure I go over it and make sure that it's blended out. If you've been on my channel, then you know your girl usually leaves her lipstick matte. Okay, I really don't do a lot of gloss with my look. I love me a nude matte lipstick. Next, I went in with a little bit of highlight on my cheeks, and then I apply it to my inner corner just to give me that extra pop. And after that was pretty much it. This is the makeup look, y'all. Like, the makeup was giving. It was giving what it needs to give. The hairstyle, these curls was popping. This lace frontal wig. Can you believe this? I made this wig from scratch. Check out the full video on my channel. And listen, if you want to order this wig, let me know. You can send me a DM on IG messages, or you can send me an email telling me you want to get this wig done, and let's chat on it so we can get you your customized lace frontal pixie cut wig made just for you. Okay, after that, these curls was popping. I was ready to go for the day, take some pictures. This glam was everything and more. Did this wig all by myself. Check out the full video on how I got this wig done. And that is it for this beautiful makeup look. I was in love of how this hairstyle turned out and this makeup look turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't usually do full glam makeup on this channel, but let me know if you enjoyed it and if you guys want me to do more. As always, I love you and I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye.